So today I'm actually going to make a prototype to show you guys. So what I basically did is I made a prototype for actually a side project that my mate and I are doing, which is called VNCHR, which is basically cryptocurrency inspired streetwear. So basically the type of prototype I chose for this was your simple fake door prototype, otherwise known as your basic landing page. And so in a minute, you'll kind of get to see the process of how I curated and put it together. It actually took me over 30 minutes to put together, just simply because I wasn't super familiar with how to use MailChimp and a lot of their different settings. But once you kind of get the hang of it, it should take a lot shorter. So this video is actually only going to be around 4 or 5-ish minutes. With the next part, you're going to get to see how I tested it out with ads, and then how I A, B, and C tested it to find out which kinds of products are going to be the best for us to sell and which ones are going to have the most amount of demand. So in the meantime, enjoy. So that's it for now. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out our channel links and stuff like that. In the meantime, see you guys later.